today I had such a busy day. Yeah, but guess what? I have a date today. Yeah. He'll be here at my place at 7. Sorry, I'm going to get ready, okay? Bye, bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hello, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it very much. And I can say that there are no any rules how to make the ideal first, second, or third date. But there is one rule that is very common for our country, is to make the first date at the cafe or the restaurant, because at the first time, lady can be confused because you meet the first time and she doesn't know what kind of person you are, and it can be confusing at some time. But you can invite the lady to your place. I think this will be a good idea, and preparing for the date is not the easiest way when you're at home at your place, because you should do all the things as cleaning, cooking, and so on and so forth. And you should understand what the person likes for dinner and so, but still it doesn't matter, but still. So I think that the best way to spend your time the first date is the cafe or restaurant. It shouldn't be the luxurious one. It should be the similar one that is very, I don't know, that is very just nice, and that's all. The place where you can have a good talk where you can have a good time, have good coffee, and some desserts. So it can be this place. Flowers. Is it okay to bring flowers for the first date or for the date that is second, third, and so on? I think that the flowers is a very good way to show your interest to the woman that you like. I don't know about the presents, if it is okay to give presents at the first or another dates, but I think that you can try. But I think that flowers is a good compliment. It's even the best compliment for the lady. The date is something magnificent. So fancy dresses and this feeling, a tender feeling that you will meet the person that you like, and you will have a good time together, drinking wine, listening to the music and talking a lot. By the way, there are no rules how to spend a good day with the Ukrainian woman, because we have no rules of preparing for the date, you know? We have no rules whether we meet at the cafe or the restaurant, at the place or at the cinema and so on and so forth. I think that cinema is not the good place to date, because you can speak to each other properly, you can't talk because of the loud film that is on the screen. The same is about the theater. Yep, you can come to the cinema and then you can come to the cafe or the restaurant to have a good time, to have a small talk. But still, the best way to spend the day is to meet at some place where you can speak, where you can talk. I don't think that you should prepare a lot for this day, because if you like each other, every minute you spend together will be magnificent. Contact Elizabeth and Ernest if you really want to find your future Ukrainian wife.